How to follow someone on BeReal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow someone. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see search. Simply tap on search. Now here on the top at the search bar, you can search for the person, club, or even different organization that you want to follow. So here you can search for the people that you want. Now simply tap on their profile. So these are the profile. Now here you'll be able to see this follow button. Tap on follow. So as you can see, I've started following it. Now here, whatever they post and different stories they view and post will be shown in your feed. So if you go back in your homepage, you'll be able to see different posts what they share to us. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.